Good morning. It is Wednesday, my dudes, and technically Thursday because this activity will take at least 2 days. Also, let's remember that you do not have school on Friday or Monday. That is technically your spring break for Easter. And I believe you don't have school on Tuesday because we have a professional day. I will keep you posted. Check back. All right, so let's talk about what we are doing today. All right, so basically, you are going to be reading several articles to conduct a short research project to answer a question, um, drawing on several sources to develop an argument, which means we're going to be giving you several things to look at. We're going to have a question, and you're going to form an argument to answer that question. Your success criteria. All right. So you're going to use several articles to develop a claim and support it. We have 3 different articles for you to read about a topic. And you're going to create a project that outlines your argument by identifying your claim and supporting it using the evidence from the articles. Now, project is cool because a lot of people think argument, oh gosh, she's going to make me write an essay, but that is not true. Actually, let me go back. Oh, hang on. Try again. Go to this one. Technical difficulties. We still recording? We are still recording. Okay. So we're having technical difficulties, but it's going to be fine. So by project, you have several different options to present your argument. One is to present it in a Sway or a PowerPoint using Microsoft Online. The other is to do an infographic using Adobe Spark. Infographics are basically like a poster that sort of outlines all your thoughts with information. Hence, graphic means picture, infographic. It's pictures and words together to give information. You can also do a TED Talk, which is basically a speech where you record yourself doing your argument. And the great thing about this is it's not a speech in front of your friends. It is a speech that you can try again and again and again to record until you get it the way you like it. All right, all of this is going to be in the materials that are available to you. All right, so here are your activities. There is an assignment called Should I Stay or Should I Go? There is a document link that you have to click so you can see the whole thing. Now remember, that's going to be a document that pops up for you to write on. You do not have to print these things unless you want to. So if you don't have a printer, don't worry about it. You can do it on note paper. Then after you have read the assignment, you will notice that there's an orange folder with resources. You're going to need to look at all of those. It looks like a lot, but really it's like some articles, some videos. There's a video there on how to use Adobe Spark if you want to do the infographic. Adobe Spark is really awesome, so I highly recommend it. There's a sample TED Talk if you've never seen a TED Talk. You could Google TED Talk and a topic that interests you and something will come up if you don't like the one that is posted there. And then your job for this week is to choose your topic, choose your project, and get planning on it. It is going to be due next Friday. So let's say you read all those things, you come up with an argument, and you decide to do a TED Talk. Today and tomorrow, you should be working on planning it out, what you're going to say, all those things. And it'll be due next Friday. All right, so I will be available as always between 10 to 12 during my office hours. You can have a conference with me face to face. You can chat with me just using text, or you can just use voice. Also, I am always available on Remind and through email. All right, my dudes, have a great day.